back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ode Siva. It's 8:30 in the morning and I'll be going to make my client's hair in her house. I'll see you guys later. Stay tuned. I'm trying to cut the part because she'll be making a boss braid.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
As I never see you online, they worry me any day, give me consign. Yeah, I be ringing on your cellular, where you at? But enough is settled down. Yeah, I'm hoping you're okay. We got to party tonight. Many just stay for mine. Yeah, me and you daylight, yeah, not my guy. Don't just see my guy. Joey Zaza to transfer. Youssef be my guy. That is my guy, my guy. To the one real one is enough. So I call your name and you ask me, who is your guy? Oh, Maker is my guy. Now only me one. Jay Will's my guy. Now my eyes we did like beans and MK and June K for life. I will never leave your side. I will never leave, never leave. I dedicate my time, yeah, Chiefy Cuckoo, yeah, to you, my son. God from God.
I'm done making the braids now, so I'm just trying to bond the hair. I like using this method than scissors. This one is more faster. It's very fast to bond the hair than to use scissors. When I started, I asked my client if she was not scared. She said no, that she's not scared. I was like, okay. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Liking this video will make other people to see this video, and if you have not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, on the notification bell to see my future posts. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for all your love, for always coming back to watch my video. After putting the hot water in the braids, I will just apply some hair mousse, and that's it. So my client, she loved this hair very well. She loved the hair. She was smiling, I was smiling, and at the same time my pocket was also smiling. So guys, if you love this video, if you enjoy watching, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family. You know there's always love in sharing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.